What if I told you that right now there's a program that lets you buy a home with no money out of pocket? And if you stay in the home, the down payment they give you is 100% forgivable. This isn't a scam. This isn't clickbait. This is a real time sensitive opportunity called the Home First program. And I'm going to break it down for you step by step. I'm Nora Aguirre, and I've helped thousands of families, especially first gen and bilingual buyers, become homeowners. If you've ever thought, I can't afford to buy right now, this might be your shot. Let's dive in. We've had so many people walk into our office thinking, I probably won't qualify, and walk out pre-approved with a plan to get $15,000 towards their down payment. We've helped families every week get into homes with almost no upfront costs because of this program. But here's the catch. Money is limited and it is going fast. So here's what the Home First program is. You get $15,000 towards your down payment for homes priced under $400,000. And if the seller covers your closing costs, those $15,000 could cover everything. That's why we've been calling it the Black Friday special. It launched November 21st, and it is limited only to 500 transactions across the state. Once the money is gone, it's gone. So if you're watching this now and you're even thinking about buying, keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly what it takes to qualify. I know what you're thinking, but I don't have savings. I don't know if I'll qualify. I'm DACA. Programs like this always sound too good to be true. Listen, this is why I'm making this video, because most people miss out not because they didn't qualify, but because they didn't apply on time or didn't even know it existed. So let me break it down for you clearly. What you get, $15,000 applied towards your down payment if you live in the home for 3 years. That money is forgiven. It becomes free money. You don't owe it back. Who's it for? First-time home buyers or buyers who haven't owned in the last 3 years must live in the home as your primary residence, open to U.S. citizens, DACA recipients, or those with valid work permit. Minimum requirements: 660 FICO score, 2 years of tax returns, 2 years of W-2s, 2 months of bank statements, 1 month of pay stubs, valid ID, your Social Security, or your work permit. Bonus tip, if the seller helps cover closing costs, you can walk in with zero out of pocket. And the best part, you don't need to figure this out alone. We'll sit down with you, gather your documents, apply together, and usually have an answer within 24 hours. That's it. Let me be real with you. This program won't last. There's only $7.5 million in total funding, and once it's gone, it's gone. We already helped dozens of buyers apply and want to help you too. But you have to take action now, not next month. Don't miss out just because you waited too long to ask. So if you're been renting, waiting, or feeling stuck, this might be your moment. I'm offering a free Home First eligibility consultation where we will help you check your credit, your documents, apply to get the program, get matched with the lender, and start house hunting. Maybe with zero out of pocket. You bring the documents, we'll bring the strategy, and together we will find out if you can become a homeowner this month. Just click the link below to schedule your free session. If this video helped you or made you think, maybe I can do this, then it's doing its job. Share it with your friends and hit like, comment below if you want help applying. And if you're ready to take the first step, let's do this.